say I'm a bride who like lost 10 kgs right before my wedding. What will happen after I get married?
डिपेंड करता है, आप शादी के बाद भी कर रहे हो क्रैश डाइट्स,
No,
शादी के बाद भी कर रहे हो 5 days a week वर्कआउट,
no, I can't do that anymore. I have to give time to my husband.
तो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स ऑल गोना कम बैक.
Hi guys, Sana here. I hope you are well. Today I'm in conversation with Mariam Liaka. She's a certified Pilates instructor. She's also a Pilates instructor to other Pilates instructor, and she's trained in all sorts of apparatus. Hi Mariam, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Allah ka shukr, I'm well. Okay. Before we get into wedding fitness, before we get into the wedding industry, could you tell me a bit more about how you got into Pilates and what are the kinds of clients that you currently have?
Acha, so I've been in the fitness industry for 12 years. Like, I'm in my 12th year. And Pilates मैं almost 10 साल से करवा रही हूँ. So I'm certified in Pilates mostly. I have group fitness trainings as well, but जो मेरी expertise है, it is all Pilates. Balanced Body certified, Reformer certified. Yeah, Pilates is... I'm a Pilates nerd. That's what I like to call myself. I herniated a disc in my back, and that's how I discovered Pilates. Pilates से पहले... I think, you know, the 2016 era of fitness. 2016 has become like such a cultural marker. Because time pe we were discovering a lot of things जिनके बारे में अब जाके हमने और ज़्यादा learn किया. And उस ज़माने में fitness was all insanity workouts.
Yeah.
90-day fitness.
90s, one of those वो
42-day challenges.
Fortress की छत पर वो जो होता था. So you herniated your disc while you were working out?
I herniated my disc because I had a desk job. So
Okay.
I was sitting, but my spine was in constant flexion all the freaking time. So 9 to 5 jiski hai, they can probably relate. Because there's a lot of sitting down. और फिर उस मतलब the entire day I'm sitting down, and then I went for this workout and I'm doing crazy things.
So either
two
you're
extremes.
sitting down or it's going to be like extremely high intensity in that.
Yeah.
Of course, yeah.
Two different extremes. Ended up busting my back. And that's how I discovered low impact workouts.
Okay.
And the king of low impact workouts these days.
It's Pilates.
Pilates.
Okay, so do you think that actually I might have noticed that the Pilates revolution recently started. So did it recently start or was it always there? It just became trendy now, or how does it work?
It has had its moments. Early 2000s and Pilates was very popular. Then it sort of died down, and now yeah, COVID के during एक resurgence हुई है, thanks to like, you know, the pink Pilates princess marketing
exactly.
that everybody's all the aloes, the Lululemons of the world have hopped up.
Matcha and Pilates.
Matcha and Pilates, yeah. तो उसकी वजह से एक resurgence हुई है for sure. But I always say कि कोई भी coffee shop अगर trend कर रही है because of its environment, because of its ambience, people go there and eventually अगर coffee अच्छी नहीं है, they leave.
Yeah.
Right? But if the coffee is stellar, the buck stops there. And I do believe that Pilates as a movement method is so stellar that people might come for the gimmick,
Yeah.
but they stay for the substance,
Yeah.
the workout. Yeah.
Let's take up a hypothetical situation. There's a client who comes to you and they tell you, मेरी 3 महीने में शादी है.
Yeah.
Or let me be the client. I'm getting married in 3 months and I come to you. What's going on in your mind at that point in time?
मेरे दिमाग में क्या होता है कि solution बहुत ज़्यादा simple है, easy रास्ता है. There is no hoops you have to run through. Weight loss करना है तो calorie deficit करना है, और calorie deficit को बढ़ाने के लिए आप movement करते हो.
ठीक है.
Eat less, move more. It is really that simple. But of course, इस problem के solution को package किस तरह करना है, ये मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा होता है based on whoever is in front of me.
Okay. Could you explain that more?
Yeah, of course. Now, if मेरे सामने अगर कोई है who's already a fitness girly, उसको already पता है, मतलब they're active, उन्होंने पहले से they have a workout history, पहले से वो workout कर रही हैं, let's say वो strength training भी कर रही हैं, हफ्ते में 5 दफ़ा mobility भी करती हैं, cardio भी कर रही हैं, rest days भी उनके अच्छे हैं, मतलब she's a unicorn.
Yeah.
she is like one in a million, उसको सब कुछ पता है. तो फिर मैं उसको एक straight forward सा दूंगी कि अपना जो deficit है थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बढ़ा लो अगर और ज़्यादा weight loss करना है, और इन्फ्लेमेशन कम करने के लिए थोड़े से लो इम्पैक्ट पर आ जाओ, थोड़ी सी कार्डियो बढ़ा लो, स्ट्रेसर्स अपने कम कर लो, एंड देन शी इज़ गोना अंडरस्टैंड दिस, राइट? शी इज़ गोना बी लाइक ठीक है. अगर कोई इस तरह से आता है जिसने अपनी फिटनेस जर्नी स्टार्ट ही अभी किया है कि 3 महीने में शादी है और यू नो दे जस्ट वांट लाइक अ सडन चेंज, उनके लिए भी सोल्यूशन होती है, मतलब इट इज़ वेरी पॉसिबल, ऐसा नहीं है कि इम्पॉसिबल है. ऑफ कोर्स लॉन्ग टर्म हेल्थ इफेक्ट्स होते हैं इसके, बट यू नो पीपल आर वेरी ऑब्सेस्ड विद जस्ट बीइंग स्किनी. उनकी हेल्थ खराब हो जाए कोई बात नहीं, उस वक्त उनको है कि they want to look good. It is very possible, but for me, just as a trainer, there are some, but I have to hold myself back because ethically speaking, जो मेरे सामने है, I have to consider their health, even if they don't consider their health. और यही बात है जो उनको सुनना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है.
Okay, so I'm a bride who like lost 10 kgs right before my wedding. What will happen after I get married?
Depends on how you lost those 10 kgs.
Okay.
So how did you lose those 10 kgs?
Okay, so I did crash diets.
Yeah.
I worked out 5 days a week. I just starved myself.
Yeah.
And then now my wedding happened.
Yeah.
After I got married. And then of course, वो वाला period भी गुजर गया, खाने और दावतें भी गुजर गई. What's going to happen to my body after that?
Depend करता है, आप शादी के बाद भी कर रहे हो crash diets.
No.
शादी के बाद भी कर रहे हो 5 days a week workout.
No, I can't do that anymore. I have to give time to my husband.
So of course it's all going to come back. Like I don't know if
वो expiry date नहीं होती कि यार मतलब मैंने इतनी मेहनत की 6 महीने तो चल जाए or something.
आजकल स्किन केयर का बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड है ना, so I generally मतलब मैं analogy जब देती हूँ तो I try to get related with skin care. Like of course आप हाइड्रेट करोगे स्किन को तो हाइड्रेटेड रहेगी, जब हटा दोगे तो of course फाइन लाइंस भी वापस आ जाएंगी, ड्राइनेस भी वापस आ जाएगी, साइंस ऑफ एजिंग भी वापस आ जाएंगी. तो of course when you're eating less, आपने डेफिसिट में रखा हुआ अपने आप को, your body is going to burn जो उसके स्टोर्स हैं, right? Adipose tissue को वो करेगा burn अपने. अगर आपने क्रैश डाइट किया बाय द वे, you're not burning fat, you're burning glycogen. और इसलिए बहुत दफ़ा आपने सुना होगा कि वाटर वेट लूज हुआ है. Crash diets पे हमेशा water weight.
Even though I looked thinner, it was water weight that I lost. ठीक है.
आम ज़बान में जिसको de-bloating कहते हैं, शुरू में वही होती है because you're using up your glycogen storage. You're not using up the excess energy storage in your body, which is your fat. Fat loss is way more long term and it is unfortunately a slower process.
ठीक है.
तो जब इतने कम टाइम फ्रेम के साथ आते हैं और आप इतनी ज़्यादा मेहनत करते हैं जिसमें आप क्रैश डाइट्स करते हो एंड आप खाना भी नहीं खा रहे हो, वर्कआउट भी ज़्यादा कर रहे हो, what you are using up are your glycogen storage in your bloodstream, in your body, in your muscles, in your liver. जो चीज़ आप पूरे लाइफ सस्टेन नहीं कर सकते, of course it's only going to have an impact in that time जिस पे आप ये regime कर रहे हो, उसके बाद तो it's always going to come back. Yeah.
Could you tell me a more sustainable way to go about it? Provided that I'm a woman who has just realized 3 months before my wedding that I don't like the way I look.
Yeah.
I want to lose weight. What do I do? Is there a healthier way to go about it?
मतलब if you've just realized कि बस 3 महीने रह गए हैं और कुछ ना कुछ करना है, सबसे पहली चीज़ आप ये करोगे, आप डेफिसिट में जाओगे. Now the healthiest way, of course, is to start way earlier, right? And ideally, everybody should be exercising, everybody should be eating well to nourish their bodies anyway. But let's say बहुत ज़्यादा कम टाइमलाइन है, तो कोई भी इंसान आपको यही बताएगा कि आपने कैलोरी डेफिसिट करनी है, राइट? सो आप उससे पहले तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आप डेफिसिट में हो, आप मेंटेनेंस खा रहे हो, आप जो खा रहे हो व्हाट आर यू पुटिंग इनटू योर बॉडी. लॉट ऑफ पीपल, उनको ये भी नहीं पता होता. लाइक सबसे ज़्यादा मसला होता है, लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स दे कम टू मी एंड दे से कि हम वैसे ही हेल्दी खाते हैं, राइट? वी हैव अ हेल्दी डाइट. मैं तो कुछ खाती नहीं हूँ, राइट? देन व्हाट्स रॉन्ग? सो आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू, so you know the question that you asked me कि क्या चल रहा होता है दिमाग में, I need to ask इनका lifestyle कैसा है,
ठीक है,
right? I want to say, okay, what do you eat when you wake up, what do you have for lunch, what do you have for dinner? So they could be saying कि मैं कुछ भी नहीं खाती, but then you know they start saying कि अच्छा I skip breakfast, I skip lunch, then शाम को, yeah, maybe I wake up quite late so I'm skipping breakfast anyway, and then I have cookies maybe for quick energy, I have a coffee, a very sugary drink, maybe energy drinks ले लेते हैं. So you know things that give you instant energy, इस तरह की बहुत होती है, इस तरह के लोगों के डाइट में इस तरह की चीज़ें बहुत इन्वॉल्व होती हैं. And then yeah, sometimes people say we eat healthy, हम घर का खाना ही खाते हैं, but then you could be eating healthy, but you could also be in a calorie surplus, eating all the right things, right? So I just, as a trainer, I have to figure out कि मसला कहाँ से आ रहा है, लाइफस्टाइल कैसा है, आर दे मूविंग अराउंड अ लॉट. या अगर सब कुछ ठीक है, खाना भी ठीक है, स्लीप भी ठीक है, स्ट्रेसर्स कोई नहीं है, फिर देखना होता है कोई अंडरलाइंग इशू है, कोई हेल्थ का मसला है, कोई हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस है, PCOS है. सबसे ज़्यादा कॉमन आजकल की लड़कियों में हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस इज बिकॉज ऑफ PCOS. तो then you might have to consider some other things. कि अगर वेट लूज नहीं हो रहा, सब कुछ ठीक है, 3 महीने रहते हैं, then you might have to go to a doctor.
Okay.
Right?
This question has always confused me over life, but
Yeah.
is the weight on the scale a good metric?
I mean, it's not a bad metric.
Okay.
खराब भी नहीं है. It is, मतलब it is, it gives you some information, right? जिस तरह BMI पे, a lot of people hate the BMI because mathematician ने बनाया है, did not consider physiology or did not consider a woman's body and, you know, जो changes
Or
आती
like
हैं.
changes during the month.
Exactly, yeah. So it does not consider all of that. But it's still, it gives you some information. So it's how you take it. Just like calorie deficit, I keep on saying that. Calorie deficit and calorie tracking in and of itself is not disordered.
Yeah.
But if somebody comes with a history of disordered eating, yeah, a history of like a strained relationship with food,
Yeah.
तो calorie tracking उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा stressful होगा,
Yeah.
right? And then calorie deficit में जाना उनके लिए बहुत stressful होगा अगर food noise बहुत ज़्यादा है, and I tell them कि कम खाओ या जो आप crave कर रहे हो वो ना खाओ. अगर मतलब calorie dense चीज़ें पसंद हैं उनको कम कर दो. तो it becomes a little bit difficult to deal with somebody like that and try to explain to them that there are other ways to manage your hunger cues.
I'm just thinking of in a perspective of regular clients who have more time, and then of course brides who are on like very tight deadlines.
Yeah.
Because I meet people on the day of their shoots, and sometimes I can see that they're a little bit disoriented, and I ask them, have you eaten something? And sometimes and mind fog hai, and they're just probably like 2 दिन से कुछ नहीं खाया, and I'm just like, why are you doing that? And they're just like, either time नहीं मिला or that's just what I've been doing for a while.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, okay, you need to have some sugar. And then, you know, they probably just look at their dress and then they're like, in some time, and then they, you know, they'll brush it off. Rare cases हैं, but ये cases अभी भी exist करते हैं. I've had other brides as well जो आराम से shoot करवाने के बाद सुकून से बैठी McDonald's खा रही हैं. I'd eat it with them as well because you know carbs make you happy. And I go like, for your shoot days, you should be going for carb heavy meals because they'll sustain you for long, because आपने घंटों खड़ा होना होता है. पहले you're going for your makeup, then you're going to stand out for घंटे, then you have to go to the stage, you still have to smile, do pictures, and then honestly you're not sitting like I am sitting. You're sitting like this. There's like 20 kgs on your head. It's pulling you back. You need a lot of energy on that particular day. So even in messages, I tell all brides, eat carb heavy foods or like have carby snacks. Recently I was doing a shoot where the bride and groom both told me they're not eating anything. I went to Tehzeeb and I got all of those carby snacks. I got patties for them. I got like a cheesy pizza. Garam. मैंने उन दोनों को खिलाया और उसके बाद जो उनकी energy थी ना, was through the roof.
Yeah.
They were so happy in their shoot. I was like, that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to enjoy yourselves. But however, over the years, I've seen a decline in the kind of brides who were very, very body conscious. Has that happened with you in the fitness industry as well?
Yeah.
Are people getting more educated?
Absolutely. मतलब, so I teach Pilates, right? I feel like मेरे पास जो आते भी हैं, I'll be very honest, ये अब anomalies हो गई हैं इस तरह के लोग जो आए और कहें कि 2 महीने में कुछ कर दो. ये बहुत रेयर केसेस हो गए हैं. ज़्यादा मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा educated or aware लोग आते हैं who already know how to get fit. And getting fit is not a goal of the people that I'm dealing with anymore. It is staying fit.
Yeah.
Right? So fitness is part of their lives. It is not like it's not a temporary thing. It's not a fling. It's a long-term relationship, right? Since we're doing shadi metaphor.
It's not a thing.
I'm going to use your industry's metaphors. So fitness for them is not a fling. It is not something आपने 3 महीने किया उसके बाद छोड़ दिया. It is like a very, very long-term commitment.
Yeah.
तो मेरे पास ज़्यादा इस तरह के लोग आते हैं who are very committed to staying healthy their entire lives.
Let's talk about a woman like me.
Yeah.
Assuming that I'm getting married, I'm a person who's like at work 8 to 9 hours most days. Then I have shoots as well.
Yeah.
Personally, I have a very active lifestyle, but assuming that I didn't have that and I couldn't go to the gym.
Bilkul.
Now I need to start working out because I am seeing gaps in my professional life as well, where I'm not that physically active. I feel lethargic. I don't have energy. And again, I'm a person who's always on the road, and she does not have the luxury of eating home cooked meals all of the time as well, because that's not just a luxury that I have.
Yeah.
What would a person like me, what would your regime for a person like me be?
Yeah, so you have to first of all assess कि आपकी body की energy requirement क्या है.
Okay.
Right, you want to see कि एक दिन में आप कितनी energy expend करते हो. Right, so online calculators हैं, you can use those.
Yeah.
Right, you can see कि अगर इतनी सारी movement नहीं है तो probably आपकी body को बहुत ज़्यादा energy नहीं चाहिए. अगर दिमाग का ज़्यादा काम है तो you need to fuel your brain, right, rather than your body, because उसको बस अपने आप को जिंदा रखना है.
Yeah.
Right, so body की जो energy expenditure है सबसे ज़्यादा सिर्फ जिंदा रहने में लगती है. Right, you have your basal metabolic rate, और आपका सबसे ज़्यादा जिसको कहते हैं ना calorie burn is your body just keeping you alive.
Yeah.
Your organs need energy just to work. Basal metabolic rate के ऊपर जो आप खा रहे हो
Okay.
वो maybe बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं आपको ज़रूरत. As compared to somebody who is, for instance, let's say somebody who is a breastfeeding mother, somebody who has toddlers, right? They are on their feet all the time. Somebody who is, I don't know, like a kindergarten teacher,
Yeah.
right? जिनको ज़्यादा energy चाहिए होती है just from their lifestyle, just from their jobs, because मतलब physically demanding है, उनको ज़्यादा calories चाहिए होंगी. तो if you have a desk job जिसमें ज़्यादा बैठना है, फिर travel भी कर रहे हो, उसमें भी बैठना है, तो you probably मतलब you need to assess कि कितनी energy आपको चाहिए from your food sources, from your macros. एक दिन में आपको कितनी energy चाहिए.
Okay.
सबसे पहले तो आप ये assess करोगे. Right? उसके बाद आपने ये देखना है कि आप normally कैसे खाते हो.
Okay.
Right? Once again, I'll say this again. Calorie tracking in and of itself is not disordered. How you absorb this information can be disordered. If you're obsessing over it, ना करो. But if you need to collect data, तो आपको ये करना पड़ता है. Then you need to see कि जो आप खा रहे हो उससे आपको कितनी energy मिल रही है. Right? So just track yourself for a week.
Okay.
जो आप अपनी body में डाल रहे हो, और देखो कि एक दिन में जो आप खा रहे हो, does this meet your energy requirements, or is it exceeding your energy requirements? It could also be less than.
Okay.
But given कि you are looking to lose weight और आपको लग रहा है कि आपके ऊपर excess body fat है, you probably are eating more. If you're already like a skinny, quote-unquote skinny person, and you feel like you need to lose weight, तो फिर body image issues हैं.
Okay.
That's just something else, right? That is a very different conversation altogether. So for somebody like you, I would say this, कि पहले अपने आप को track करो, 2 दिन कर लो अगर हफ्ता नहीं करना, और देखो कि normal habits क्या है.
ठीक है.
फिर उसमें से डिसाइड करो कि डेफिसिट कहाँ से लेके आना है. राइट, डेफिसिट जो है आप खाना कम करने से ले आते हो, आपका काम यहीं पे हो जाएगा, एक्सरसाइज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. राइट, एक्सरसाइज बाय द वे इज नॉट अ टूल
To lose weight.
to lose weight. It's not. It is a very मतलब it can be a tool to lose weight, but it's not a very useful one.
Yeah.
It's not going to do what you need to be done.
It's a
Right.
very controversial opinion, by the way.
What do you mean it's controversial? Anybody who asks me कि पिलारी से weight lose हो जाएगा, मैं कहती हूँ नहीं. नहीं होगा. If you're in the wrong spot, girl.
No, but you do realize majority of the fitness industry will collapse if this view is like very widespread, because
But that is the first thing your trainer would tell you.
A good trainer, by the way.
That is true. A
good
trainer that's not trying to exploit you.
Not a trainer that's trying to catfish you.
Yeah, not a trainer that's trying to exploit you. But a trainer
Yeah.
really cares about your health. A trainer cares about your end goal. तो आपको ये बताएगा. And then होता ये है कि that's not what you as my client want to hear, right?
Yeah.
You want to hear कि 10 दिन में 10 kg अभी मैं आपको बताती हूँ. But yeah, weight loss का सबसे जो main तरीका होता है वो calorie deficit ही होता है.
It's always in the kitchen.
Absolutely. फिर दूसरा, of course, आप उस deficit को बढ़ाने के लिए कर सकते हो कि आप exercise कर लो. कार्डियो लोग इसलिए ज़्यादा करते हैं कि कार्डियो में ज़्यादा एनर्जी लगती है, ज़्यादा कैलोरी बर्न होता है, तो डेफिसिट जो है वो इंक्रीज हो जाता है. तो that's what
But
people
honestly,
do.
my experience with cardio was कि cardio करने के फौरन बाद मुझे cravings बहुत ज़्यादा होती हैं. I just eat it
Yeah.
all back.
Yeah.
So I could have like shot
You're not the
for-
only one.
हाँ, it's very common.
Which is why I was saying, just back to your first question, कि what's going through your mind. This is another thing that goes through my mind. It is not always mathematical.
Yeah, it's not always
It is not, but it's
You're a human being with emotions that keep
and
changing.
you're also, if you're talking about a bride, you're also a woman, right? You are very
I'm a woman.
how you feel about your body, how you feel about your relationship with food, how you feel about weight loss. depends on where you are on your hormone cycle.
Yeah.
Right? So बहुत सारी चीज़ें, रास्ता बहुत straight forward लग रहा है कि calorie deficit करना है, but to get there depends on the person.
Yeah.
Right? कि अगर हो आप इस तरह की कार्डियो में भूख लग रही है और सारा कुछ आप खा रहे हो,
What do you do?
what do you do then? Right? If you're emotionally eating, what do you do then? अगर आपका mood is food dependent, what do you do then?
Yeah.
Right? So ये सब चीज़ें सोचनी पड़ती
Yeah.
हैं.
So your point was that once I'm a busy woman, I
Yeah.
need to watch what I eat, and then
Absolutely.
I can figure out where I can.
आसान लग रहा है ना कि बस देख लो क्या खा रही हो, कम
I'm
कर
just
लो.
talking about mathematically. हाँ.
Yeah, हाँ, but
मुझसे तो-
mathematically तो of
I'm
course
a
है.
Punjabi through and through, Mariam. I cannot reduce the amount of food I eat.
Yeah,
I'm a person who lives for food.
absolutely.
हाँ, मैं तो I
No,
cannot
I love
reduce
food
it.
as well.
But I'm just,
Another controversial thing for me to say as a trainer, I do love food.
हाँ, I love food.
I don't. I feel like in 2026 I need to. एक तो जो इस तरह का content आता है ना that categorizes food into good or bad, yes foods, no foods, healthy foods, unhealthy foods. I feel like मैंने सब content को block कर देना है अपने feed से because I have a good relationship with food. मतलब I have a neutral relationship with food. कुछ मतलब I'm not governed. My moods are not governed by it, but I know that's not how it is with
For
a lot
most
of people.
Yeah.
And then वो जब इस तरह का content देखते हैं, I feel like it worsens their relationship with food
Yeah.
and their body image.
Yeah.
So I, for one, just based on seeing कि मेरे clients के दिमागों के साथ इस तरह का content क्या करता है, I'm going to block it from my feed. But yeah, you are allowed to enjoy food, by the way.
Yeah, I live for food, honestly. I still do. On topic of like your relationship to food,
Yeah.
something that's happened to me, and I've seen other people going through it as well, is like an all or nothing approach in fitness, where you were like, there's a month where you've been working thrice a week, and then suddenly something happens, you fall through, and then you're like, अब मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, or that loss of motivation is so much
Yeah.
that you can just not go back to it. Can be
Absolutely.
healthy eating, can be gymming.
Yeah.
So as a fitness professional, where you पहली बात तो motivation throughout the month is never similar.
Yeah.
That's understandable. But for a person who's like fallen off the bandwagon, if I may say, and they're finding it really hard to get back, can be feelings of shame, can be feelings of inadequacy that they now feel that they got off the bandwagon, कि वापस आया नहीं जा रहा. And that's very human, by the way. That happens to every single person. I think
Yeah.
it's not about how consistent you are, but how efficiently you get back every time you went inconsistent. At least that's my thought
Yeah.
process. But for somebody who's struggling with that, how do you deal with that as an instructor?
Yeah, for me personally, it was a game changer to know that motivation does not exist.
Yeah.
Motivation पे rely नहीं कर सकते. Motivation is, once again, just like, it can fuel you for a little bit. It's just not a very efficient fuel source. Discipline is your fuel source. Motivation मर जाएगी, discipline नहीं मरना चाहिए. So, those very cheesy जो होती हैं videos के do it sad, do it angry, do it heartbroken. मतलब है cheesy है, but it has some value to it कि जो मर्जी हो रहा है दुनिया में, अगर आपने decide किया है कि मैंने discipline रहना है और अपने आप को ट्रेन भी करवाना है और अपनी बॉडी को नरिश भी करना है और अपनी हेल्थ का ख्याल भी करना है, तो आपको करना पड़ेगा, हर सूरत करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah. So for instance, अगर मैं 3 हफ्ते से constantly workout कर रही थी, and then I miss a Monday, I miss a Tuesday, I miss a Wednesday, and it's Thursday morning, I get up and
Go on
I'm
that
just
Thursday
like-
morning. Thursday is just a good day to start as a Monday.
yeah, so I need that mental reframe जब मैं वो बेड पे बैठी, when I'm deciding कि मैंने ऑफिस क्लोथ्स पहनने हैं या मैंने जिम क्लोथ्स पहनने हैं.
Yeah.
एक तो चीज हुआ ना, लाइक शट अप सना, चुप करके उठो और जिम जाओ.
Yeah.
बट कभी कभी वो कैरेट अप्रोच भी नहीं चल रही होती, सॉरी स्टिक अप्रोच नहीं चल रही होती, कभी कभी कैरेट चाहिए होता है, कभी कभी यू जस्ट वांट
Yeah.
एन ओल्डर सिस्टर विद इन यू टू बी लाइक, अच्छा तो क्या हो गया.
हाँ.
सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक योर इंटरनल मोनोलॉग एट दैट पॉइंट शुड बी?
You haven't found a movement style that exercise की बात हो रही है ना. अगर इस तरह का है ना कि जिम एंजाइटी हो रही है
Yeah.
कि जाऊंगी और मुझे लोग जज करेंगे या मैं फिट नहीं हूँ, ये बड़ा होता है कि मैं थोड़ा सा वेट लूज कर लूँ फिर मैं जिम जाऊंगी, राइट, एज इफ gyms are not places to get fit.
I've heard that
yeah.
I'm not very healthy, people will look at me, मैं इस
Exactly.
तरह लगूंगी, and I'm like, it's a gym. People are moving.
Absolutely.
Let's move together.
अगर मोटिवेशन का मसला है ना, तो you haven't found a movement style that you enjoy.
Okay.
Right? अगर आपको पिलाटीज नहीं पसंद आ रहा, daunting लग रही है कि मैं जाऊंगी और पता नहीं मेरे से कुछ भी नहीं होगा, then find something else.
Okay.
Right? Find something that you look forward to. Right? Find a trainer that encourages you. External factors ढूंढो फिर motivation के, trainer हो गया, workout buddy हो गया, right? Sometimes for a lot of girls I've seen just like cute gym fits.
I know somebody who's always a victim of that marketing campaign. That particular woman, I love her to death, but she always buys like the cutest outfits.
Oh, I thought it was
and then
you.
No, bro, no. I own the same gym wear that I used to wear in 2021. 5 years later, same.
Sustainable.
Very sustainable. Yeah. I shopped once and I'm good, but no, that particular woman, she buys new gym clothes, goes to the gym, goes for 3 weeks, falls on the bandwagon, and for the next bandwagon, she has to find new outfits. And I'm just like...
But एक motivator तो है. Motivator
Cute gym fits can be a motivator.
Yeah, but
I'm going to try next time. It clearly isn't working out for me, but I'll try.
अगर अंदर से motivation नहीं आई तो of course external motivators आप ढूंढोगे, आप कुछ तो करोगे. You have to fall in love with the routine. You have to fall in love with the system. Right? Motivation can only take you this far. Cute outfits will bring you to the gym. सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है showing up to the gym, right? फिर workout. Have you ever felt miserable after a workout? Never. Right? Never. The dreading. You know, the dread कि अभी जाना है, तैयार होके जाना है, showing up और पता नहीं क्या ही हो जाएगा हमारे साथ. I always say 80% काम आपका just showing up हो गया. There's no such thing as a bad workout. You will never feel awful after a workout. That much is a guarantee.
Absolutely. Okay, so मैं gym आ गई हूँ, right? What should I be working out on? क्या workout होना चाहिए?
मतलब आपका workout split क्या होना चाहिए कि in general क्या आपका ideal? मतलब in a perfect world.
In a perfect world.
In a perfect world, जिस पे आप के पास 3 महीने वाली timeline नहीं है, 10 दिन में आपने पतले नहीं होना, and you actually care about your health. आपके split में resistance training होनी चाहिए.
Okay.
At least thrice a week, I would say. अगर नहीं भी है, किसी भी तरह की resistance training करो जिसमें आप अपने muscles को heavy mechanical tension दे रहे हो.
ठीक है.
Right? This is, honestly, I say it's जिस तरह retinol skin के लिए होती है, इसी तरह resistance training is for the muscle. It is anti-aging. It regulates a lot in your body. So for women especially, I would say lift some weights.
Okay.
फिर mobility training करें आप. It doesn't have to be Pilates, by the way. Pilates is my favorite form of movement.
Yeah.
But it is not the only form of mobility training out there. It works, it makes sure कि आपके joints जो हैं heavy mechanical tension की वजह से ख़राब ना हो. आपकी bones, आपके joints, आपके ligaments, आपके muscles healthy रहें.
ठीक है.
And then get at least 2 hours of cardio in your week.
Okay.
This is ideal.
So weightlifting and resistance are the same thing? For
resistance training. मतलब weight training is the most obvious form of resistance training. लोग तो और भी बहुत कुछ करते हैं. मतलब Pilates भी in a way is a form of resistance training जिस पे आप अपने body weight को ही use करो.
Yeah.
But then eventually you do wanna put your body through more stress. Put your muscles through more stress for them to grow and get stronger.
Okay. So 3 hours I'm doing resistance training. You said 2 hours mobility and 2 cardio?
मतलब मोबिलिटी आइडियली एवरीडे होनी चाहिए.
ठीक है.
कार्डियो भी इस तरह स्प्लिट करें कि एटलीस्ट 20 मिनट रोज़ आना कुछ ना कुछ आपको मिल रहा है, वरना तो आप मतलब ट्वाइस अ वीक भी कर सकते हो. और या रेजिस्टेंस ट्रेनिंग मतलब मिनिमम 3 कर लो, मिनिमम 2 एक दिन भी कर सकते हो, बट आई जस्ट मीन इन अ परफेक्ट वर्ल्ड इस तरह का कुछ स्प्लिट होगा.
ठीक है. एंड बीच में मेरे पास ऐसे वीक्स आ गए where probably have a lot of guests or have a lot of work or I'm on vacation. Maintenance workout क्या होगा for those extremely busy weeks?
हर किसी के पास नहीं होता इतना टाइम कि तो just choose one workout.
Okay.
Right? Maybe join like a Pilates class, for instance. लोग इसलिए करते हैं कि it is time efficient. Have you heard of Athletic Reformer?
Yeah.
Right? वो इसलिए करते हैं कि it's like
jump board or like something else?
नहीं, Legree.
Okay.
Legree जिस तरह है Athletic Reformer में है कि heavier resistance है, तो people think it's like perfect कि 1 घंटे में resistance training भी होगी, mobility भी होगी. तो you could do, मतलब कोई group class ले लो, but do something, मतलब just get your movement in.
Okay.
So this is probably why people do group classes. को उनको होता है कि अच्छा जिम में ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है तो हम कुछ और वर्कआउट कर लें जो it sort of gives us everything in an hour.
Yeah.
तो ये आप कर सकते हो. कुछ भी, the best exercise in my opinion is walking. Walking is, matlab, you don't need a gym membership for it. Okay. You don't need a trainer for it. It is, matlab, it's just a locomotive skill that your body has, and it is one of the most primary movement skills that your body has, which is gating. So aapko, yeah, walking is literally the best.
So like walking on a treadmill or like walking around the house?
Anything,
or like,
anything. Walking is, yeah, the best. I say the best exercise for weight loss is walking.
Okay.
Yeah. Your body has ways that it consumes energy, right? आपका workout एक बहुत छोटा part है उसका. It could be, अगर आप 1 hour का कर रहे हो, तो it's just 1 hour out of your 24 hours, right? फिर your body consumes energy to keep you alive. जो हम basal metabolic rate बोल रहे थे. उसके अलावा आपकी non-exercise activity, thermogenesis है. That is something people ignore a lot.
Okay.
कि workout कर लिया, फिर घर आए और couch पे बैठ गए. Right? और कुछ नहीं किया पूरे दिन पे. But you need to up your need score. So just moving around a lot. एक जगह, एक pose में नहीं बैठना. Get up, park थोड़ा सा दूर कर लो गाड़ी. And then walk your way up to your office. Get up and get your own glass of water.
Okay. So something even smaller, as small as like getting a glass of water makes a difference.
Fidgeting.
Okay.
Makes a lot of difference. बस ये है कि एक pose में बैठे नहीं रहना. You gotta keep your body moving. Our body, our spines, मतलब our skeleton is designed for movement.
Okay.
Right? Our spine, अगर आप अपनी low back को देखो, you know, you have that lordotic curve.
Yeah.
It is designed for you to be in an upright position. So sitting is the new smoking, right? इसलिए कहते हैं कि sitting down is destroying your health. Get up and walk around. That is honestly the best thing you can do for yourself.
But like I come home from work.
Yeah.
What is the minimum amount of walking should I be doing? Should it be timed or should it be kilometers wise? What should I be doing?
Steps wise करते हैं generally लोग. मतलब आजकल आप सब ज़्यादा सुनोगे कि 10,000 steps होने चाहिए at least.
Honestly, I've tried that. It's not sustainable. 10,000 steps in a day is too much. At least for my routine, it was too much.
कोई बात नहीं. आप कम से 5,000 से start कर लो.
ठीक है.
5,000 start कर लो, फिर every week उसको थोड़ा बढ़ाओ.
How much kilometers does 5,000 steps translate to? I think 2.5. Not sure.
My God, don't ask me. 6,000 steps would be almost 2 kilometers.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
Okay.
Depending on how fast you're going, 5 to 6,000 होता है too.
ठीक है.
तो start small.
Okay.
And then pick it up. I would say अगर आपका weight loss नहीं भी है target, in general अपनी health अच्छी रखने के लिए walk a lot more and you will actually feel a difference.
Okay.
तो 10,000 is not like a golden number. एक study हुई थी. There's a Japanese study जिस पर they decided this was the number. But anything above 5,000, I think कर लेना चाहिए.
Okay. Makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Also, another thing that I struggle with is that once you are at the gym, I have seen people who are, even if it's a group class हो सकती है, individual training हो सकती है.
Yeah.
You can actually spot those people who are so conscious जो move ही नहीं कर पा रहे.
बिल्कुल, हाँ.
Right? I've also taken like reformer Pilates. I've been very, very lucky to even take a reformer Pilates class with you as well.
Yeah.
But आपके साथ कोई एक woman who's like 20 years older than you, यार वो इतना fit plank कर रही होती है that you're like, this is the best form I've ever seen, and then you're like, I'm in my early 30s, why can't I do that?
Yeah.
So if you're stuck in a situation like that, as an instructor, what is your advice for those people?
I feel like group fitness is ज़्यादा वैसे मैंने देखा लोगों के लिए मोटिवेशन का ही एक फैक्टर होती है. राइट, कम लोग होते हैं जो होते हैं, ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. जैसा मेरी क्लास में खैर रिफॉर्मर में इतना ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ हुआ. जो मैं मैथ पिलाटीज जो मैं कराती हूँ उसमें ऐसे होता है कि पीपल कम एंड they see everybody doing things perfectly. उनको सारी रूटीन आती है, वो उसी से इंटिमिडेट होके they walk out. हुआ वो बहुत रेयर केसेस हैं इस तरह के. ज़्यादा लोग मोटिवेट ही होते हैं because in my class there's women of all ages.
Yeah.
Right, स्कूल वाली बच्चियाँ भी आती हैं, उनकी grandmothers भी आती हैं. Right, so there's बहुत diverse crowd है. It is a form of motivation. But अगर आप intimidate हो रहे हो, I would just say मतलब nobody's looking at you. when you're working out, I can promise you कि आप अपनी ज़ात के बाहर किसी को नहीं देख रहे होते.
I actually know. Right? Everybody's just working out.
Everybody's working out and whilst you're working out and if you're working out hard, आप इतना मर रहे होते हो आंखों में आगे पसीना होता है, आपको कोई और नजर आ रहा होता है.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Also, I think my advice that I've had for people, not just while working out, but other things, is that allow yourselves to fail. We're all human beings, man.
Yeah.
एक
क्या हो
workout
जाएगा?
नहीं अच्छा हुआ तो कौन सी ट्रॉफी लेकर जानी थी जिम से घर? क्या
Yeah.
फर्क पड़ता है वर्कआउट अच्छा नहीं हुआ? Nobody saw you.
Yeah.
Get back in every single day.
What's the worst that can happen? That's what I tell my
You'd
girls who come in for the first
honestly, you'd probably just be laughing at your own self.
time. Yeah.
Otherwise, like, मैं 2 से 3 दफा रिफॉर्मर से गिर चुकी हूँ मरियम. One thing I noticed was कि I was like doing those suspended planks नहीं होते हैं. मैं वो suspended planks कर रही थी and the instructor बीच में midway told us कि आप अपनी knees लगा लो, tap in कर लो and then you go back. वो मैंने
Yeah.
उनकी बात सुनी नहीं.
Yeah.
And because मेरा पूरा plank बहुत लंबा हो गया था, eventually when I got back, तो I like almost landed on the floor, but she was like so attentive कि वो already देख रही है. And she's like,
Yeah.
you didn't hear me, and I was like, with all of that,
हाँ, zone out हो जाते हैं.
thumping hard and everything, I didn't hear you.
Yeah,
तो उसके
yeah.
बाद she actually noticed कि मेरी body language क्या होती है जब मैं सुन नहीं रही होती. So she would
Yeah.
sometimes she would just tap on my reformer
ये बहुत होता है, yeah, a lot of
because
my
she would
clients zone
notice
out
कि
as
मैं zone out कर रही हूँ.
हाँ.
And it's I was not doing that on purpose. I
Pilates
was
is
just
a mind-muscle
हाँ,
connection.
it's a
You
very
have to be
mind-
very
हाँ.
present.
Yeah. So my question was कि यार, if I am by any chance a bride who wants to lose weight in 2 months, I can either do it in the kitchen or if I'm doing it, otherwise it's not sustainable. I think that's
देखिए, हो सकता है, ठीक है, अगर आप उसको प्योरली देखो फ्रॉम लाइक अ साइंटिफिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, हो सकता है, राइट. 3 महीने में आप वेट लूज कर सकते हो, आप खाना छोड़ दो. यू नो द होल मैथ, राइट, कि 1 kg ऑफ लाइक ह्यूमन एडिपोज टिश्यू इज 7700 कैलोरीज,
Yeah.
राइट. तो उसको अगर आपने लूज करना है, लेट्स से 5 kg गिराने, तो आपको नियरली 4000 कैलोरी डेफिसिट करना है रोजाना. कर सकते हो तो कर लो, राइट.
Wow, that's a lot.
डू यू रियलाइज कि 4000 डेफिसिट क्या होता है? एक
4000
average-
तो खाना एक.
मतलब एक एवरेज बंदा एक दिन में 2000 खाता है.
That's what I'm saying. The 4000 deficit is like
डेफिसिट इज लाइक आपने, यू हैव टू डू लाइक
probably 6000 workout and then
या
2000 eating.
या
But 6000 calorie workout होगा
या तो ना
कौन सा?
खाओ ना,
या
एफिशिएंट
तो ना
करो,
खाओ,
कुछ भी
हाँ.
ना खाओ और 4000 कैलोरीज वर्थ ऑफ वर्कआउट कर लो. दैट्स
हाँ.
लाइक 5 Zumba classes, 5 hours of Zumba, constant dancing, या फिर 6 घंटे साइकिलिंग करो. या कर सकते हो 10 दिन में इतना सारा कुछ करो. It is possible, right? Is it sustainable? Of course it's not. Like, we're not stupid.
You will probably have injuries and like,
हाँ.
or your body will just crash out.
It is very very possible. आप कर सकते हो, आप ये सारा कुछ करोगे. आप the thing is कि वही आप कह रहे हो कि फर्क भी पड़ेगा. इवन वाटर वेट कम होगा, ब्लोटिंग कम होगी, आपको लगेगा कि यू नो यू आर मेकिंग सम प्रोग्रेस. फैट लॉस नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पर, राइट. सो इट इज नॉट लॉन्ग टर्म, एंड देन इवेंचुअली यू आर गोना गो बैक टू योर लाइफस्टाइल, राइट. तो अगर तो आप इसी तरह पूरी लाइफ गुजार सकते हो कि आप कुछ ना खाओ पूरे दिन और आप 6 घंटे वर्कआउट करो, बी माई गेस्ट, राइट. जॉइंट्स अपने खराब कर लो, हार्मोन्स अपने खराब कर लो, आप गट हेल्थ अपनी खराब कर लो, आप मेंटल हेल्थ अपनी खराब कर लो, be my guest.
Yeah.
Right? It is very possible. But I, as a trainer, care about your mental health. I care about your joint health. I care about everything,
that's
even
how
if
it's
you
supposed
don't care about
Yeah.
it. Right? क्योंकि अक्सर यही मसला होता है. My client doesn't care about them. उनको end goal बस नजर आ रहा होता है कि बस मैं जो हूँ, I want to look like, you know, आजकल के बच्चे, नहीं आज Greek goddess तो नहीं, किसी को Greek goddess नहीं लग रहा. Greek goddesses had curves. Right? आजकल के बच्चे क्या कहते हैं कि you won't be able to find me. Right?
Where's the waist?
Look at my waist.
Where's that waist? I can't find it anymore.
Yeah, that's remember the Ozempic skinny is the new standard now.
Oh yeah.
Unfortunately,
that's a drug I don't even want to name.
इस
or even
इंडस्ट्री में
talk
ना
about
हर
that.
दो 3 साल बाद कुछ एक नया ट्रेंड आ जाता है.
हाँ, अब इस वक्त we're injecting ourselves.
We are in the Ozempic skinny era. So anyway, it's all possible. It's just not sustainable. Everything has an opportunity cost. यहाँ पर आपकी health, हर तरह की physical and mental, is your opportunity cost.
And let's just say, it's not a good opportunity cost, man. Do better with yourselves.
Yeah.
Mariam, thank you so much for coming in. Can you please tell the people where can they find you?
You can work out with me at AimFit. I teach Reformer Pilates. I also teach Math Pilates. You can reach out to me on Instagram. I am at the Pilates POV.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
You're so welcome.